Hi traders, welcome to this video. This video is going to be about analysis video of this particular week, month in euro, pound and dollar. And we are also going to discuss about the economic calendar, plus where are the inefficiencies, liquidity, and what daily, weekly and monthly candle is telling us, because this is there will be a September, first week of the month. And this week is going to be a huge week because there is NFP news. So we are going to discuss about all the things which can impact the price action. So firstly, from the monthly time frame. So if you are trading intraday or weekly time frame, monthly is not so much important, but when there are clean months, then there will be clean weeks. When there are clean weeks, there will be clean days. So for the education purposes, for the information purposes, you have to also look sometimes at the monthly time frame, when monthly is going to open or when monthly is going to close. Not every day. Every day you have to just look at the daily candle, plus on the weekly candle you have to look at the starting of the week or end of the week, and if there are any inefficiencies, liquidities, then you have to mark them. When the weekly candle reaches that point, then you have to look at the weekly candle, how it's performing at that point. So firstly, we will start from the DXY. So there will be a lot of things in this PDF, in this presentation. I will provide this PDF free in the description. You can download from there, but here I am going to just discuss the important points in this month. So from the higher time frame, monthly, August closed bearish, but not a strong bearish structure. You can see this candle closed bearish in DXY, but it's not from a important point of interest like this sell side imbalance or taken any liquidity and closed up, and after that closed bearish. So it's in a indecision scenario, indecision place. That's why I have written over here, candle shows indecision. So expect both sides of movement rather than a clean trend on monthly time frame. So as I have written here, for our trading, monthly is a background only, not execution relevant. So it's not important, but as I said, for information, for backtesting, for clarity, you have to have a little bit picture in the mind that what is happening on the monthly time frame. So weekly basis. After this we will go to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, DXY showing pin bar type of a candle, and you can see EURUSD showing pin bar rejection type of a candle on weekly time frame from downside. And after that, pound, it's struggling inside the sell side imbalance, and we are not clear in this scenario what will going to happen. So it will be clear in upcoming days. So observations for this week. Weekly is suggesting us possible euro strength, USD softness, but still lacks clarity. Need daily confirmations before committing any trade or taking entry into any trade, just because the daily confirmation will be available only after high impact news. So on the daily time frame, you can see daily candles. It's also showing pin bar, USD indecision type, DXY rejection from the upside. So this is a mixture of. So summary of all of it what we have discussed. Summary is that high time frame price action, market is not giving a clean directional bias. September may open choppy with mixed signals between EURUSD, GBPUSD, DXY. Execution should be event driven. Focus on intraday setups around liquidity and news events. So let's discuss now economic calendar, because this is a high impact micro week. September is opening with fireworks, like we have Monday. We don't have any news, like it's a USD bank holiday, low liquidity. Avoid forced trades. If you can see any good trades, then you can take a trade, but only with high confirmations like 4 hourly candles. So Tuesday, ISM, PMI, USD, potential intraday volatility you can see, and after that, Wednesday 3rd September, labor market sentiment, which is JOLTS job opening, USD news. Thursday, very important day, NFP data can shift expectations. So after that, Friday is a very important day because the biggest event of this week is the main event, which is NFP main news. Extreme volatility across all USD pairs. So this is important to look at. So summary of news impact is market likely to range job until NFP. Intraday opportunities early in this week around PMI jobs, JOLTS job opening. So Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe intraday setups. After that, we can get good clean direction, but only NFP news. So Thursday, Friday, high volatility as I discussed. So what are the trading plans and suggestions? Patience early in this week, like we don't have any strong because the strong news is at the end of the week. So align with the news catalysts, news events. Expect setups from just before or after PMI. So bias building, it will be only clear after this week, like the main bias. And for daily, you can look at the daily candles. For more confirmation, GBP pound is trading inside that sell side imbalance, as we have discussed on the daily time frame. You can see we are inside this. Wait a minute. We are inside this weekly imbalance in GBPUSD also. There is a sell side imbalance, this sell side imbalance on weekly time frame, and we are trading inside this sell side imbalance, so there is not clarity in GBPUSD. So the risk management, use half risk, expect wider SLs because of the volatility of the news, high impact news. Keynotes: August closes indecisive, September may open with choppy liquidity. NFP, don't predict, react, see how the daily candles are forming. Focus pairs: EURUSD, DXY. For cleaner signals, keep GBP and other pairs secondary. So this is the overview of regarding this upcoming week. So I will provide this PDF, plus in this PDF there is a lot of information which you can read again and again, and plus we have screenshots available over here, so it will be easy for you to study and understand. I will provide this PDF free in the description, so you can download from there. So we will meet in the next week with some more information regarding the second week of the September, and we will again discuss like this, and let's see how this NFP create a price action on the weekly basis on the daily candles. So trade with proper risk management and focus on psychology. I have made some videos regarding the psychology, but these are in Hindi. If you understand the Hindi language, then I will give the thumbnail on the screen. You can check out these videos. Thank you.